333 BHKLE. This has been a tremendous trailer for us. We have 3 of them left. They're on sale at Pine Acres here. David's going to walk you through the trailer.
A very popular layout. Everybody seems to want. Has a dinette here. Also has another dinette in the back. Kitchen cabinets galore. You really doesn't do much better than this for cabinets and counter space. Up to the front, TV is in place. Big door. As you come in the door, it's got a coat closet. Big, modern bathroom with a corner shower. And the access door from the bedroom into the bathroom. Let's go see this bunk room real quick. Kids will be happy with this. Plugs everywhere. These KZ units have plugs everywhere. There's your dinette, which makes into a nice sized bed. Another bunk. And 2 bunks over and under. Both are pretty big. You can see this unit at Pine Acres, X11 Stewiacke, Nova Scotia.